It's the sour lady, sour gal. Remember me?
Surrender and come along.
Snake, spit it out.
Oh shit, is it the ghost devil? Oh, it's alive! Oh, what does that mean, though, if the ghost devil comes back? Doesn't that mean...
Fuck.
Uh-oh, she has the blood. Oh, she about to keel over?
Ghost, kill this guy.
Whoa! Oh my god! Maybe when she... when the snake devil wars somebody, it takes over. I mean, the double. And then the user can use that double. Interesting.